Tony,
what we
sky
can see in
report.
the July sky. Currently in the evening sky, as it's getting dark, about half an hour after sunset, you can see Mercury. And I put it here on the 18th. That's when it will be highest in the sky. But it's already been spotted. And Patrick actually alerted to me that
So
I
on the
should point it
4th,
out.
on the evening of the 4th.
Yeah, so
horizon.
Mercury is kind of a tricky planet because it's near the sun, but especially in the spring or summer, it's high with respect to the sun, so we can see it from here. Jupiter is the brightest thing that you'll see in the southwest sky, and I'm showing it here for July 28th just because the moon will be near it. It'll make a nice view, but you don't need the moon to find it, actually. It is pretty bright. And some recent views of Jupiter. This is showing the Great Red Spot. And then this is an outstanding image. This is by Damien Peach, who's, I think he's like professionally a plumber or something like that in England. But he's such a fantastic photographer that he's been given opportunities on large telescopes. This is a 40-inch telescope called, well, it's the Pic du Midi telescope in France. And it has superb seeing. And so this is a recent result that he and a number of other colleagues did just a few days ago.
It's in France.
Okay, and then in the early evening, as soon as it gets dark, you can see Saturn. And actually, this is what the sky will look like tonight as you're leaving, all space considered, assuming you don't leave too early. And you'll see the bright moon, but Saturn will be between that and the star Antares. But Saturn will be the brightest star-like thing in the southern part of the sky at that time. And of course, Saturn is fantastic. Our star photographer, Blake Estes here, well, one of many. I also want to say we have several here, but Blake took this from video compressed into a single super sharp image through our 12-inch telescope on the roof a few days ago. And in the early morning, Venus pops above the eastern horizon, and so you can see it. Venus is the brightest planet, and a lot of people don't believe it's a planet when they say it must be like an airplane light, or it's even been reported as a UFO, things like that. The moon will be near Venus on July 20th, which is an upcoming anniversary of the Apollo moon landing, but you'll be able to see Venus. And this is what it looks like. This is actually combining ultraviolet and infrared views of Venus, so you can see details in the clouds. Although the person in Italy who took this didn't provide much in the way of details, but it is a beautiful set of images.